Hello, welcome to Banega Smart Buyer. In this video, we are here to share you the best affordable drones in India that you can buy in the market. On the spot 5 in our list, we have DJI Tello. DJI Tello drone is one of the most popular, cost-effective drones available in India. This drone provides a 5MP camera with a flight timing of 13 minutes and a maximum speed of 17.9 mph. Tello has two antennas that make video transmission extra stable, and its high capacity battery offers an impressively long flight duration. Tello is fully programmable. The users can upload their modes and flight characteristics, making it a perfect tool for children to learn to code. Tello provides a flight height of 15 meters above ground and has a net weight of 100 grams. The price of DJI Tello drone is approximately Rs 10,990. You can check the link in description. On the spot 4 in our list, we have SuperToy Dual Wi-Fi Camera HD Foldable Drone. SuperToy drone is a remote control drone with flashlights and Wi-Fi. The primary camera is 7 megapixels and the secondary is 2 megapixels. This drone is portable, provides a Wi-Fi app control, and is also capable of 360 flip stunts. It is made of ABS plastic material, which is 100% safe for kids. It has a battery of 1200 mAh and provides a flight height of 40 to 45 meters. The price of SuperToy Dual Wi-Fi Camera HD Foldable Drone is approximately Rs 6,499. You can check the link in description. On the spot 3 in our list, we have Kiditos Syma X23W FPV Drone. This drone brings a different perspective to the pictures and videos taken by the users. Equipped with an HD camera and Wi-Fi, Syma provides real-time transmission to photos and videos. It is built on a 6-axis gyroscope stabilizer which ensures accurate positioning in flight. Its powerful air pressure altitude hold allows the drone to keep hovering over at the same height with no interruptions. It provides a height of 50 meters above the ground and has a net weight of 150 grams. The price of Kiditos Syma X23W FPV Drone is approximately 5,999 rupees. You can check the link in description. On the spot 2 in our list, we have Jack Royal App Control Vision Drone. Unlike the previous one, this drone is facilitated with a camera. It provides a flying height of 50 meters and a flying time of 8 to 10 minutes. It has an upgraded 5G FPV which enables a more stable signal with faster and real-time transmission. The drone is capable of double GPS positioning and 120-degree wide-angle photography for capturing pictures and videos of a wider landscape. It is also capable of altitude holding and tilting cameras for easier shooting. The price of Jack Royal App Control Vision Drone is approximately Rs 7,545. You can check the link in description. On the spot 1 in our list, we have Foldable GPS FPV Drone. Manufactured by Catalyst Enterprises, this drone comes with dual cameras. The primary camera is 7 megapixels and the secondary is 2 megapixels. It provides an optical flow function which contributes to the clear motion of the image at scene points. The users can also switch the cameras for selfies and landscape photography using hand gestures. The drone is weighted 200 grams and has a battery capacity of 3.7V, 1200 mAh, including the LI battery for the drone. The price of Foldable GPS FPV Drone is approximately Rs 4,799. You can check the link in description. That's it for the video. If you like it, please subscribe to Banega Smart Buyer channel. Thank you. Bye bye.